Kajingwan Kluon Jaka Katnat Urban Affairs jong ka Sarkar Jila lingba ka Meghalaya Urban Development Authority Shakishnong ki badan markhap ka Sar Shillong kala penkulmar jingbut ki patba na martang ban pan jingbet ban chna ying thamai ki hapan lut hadu iwei point ar pholak tengka halor kini ka bentan na kaliang MDC ka NCP bami khmat na Laban constituency uba Sanbor Sulai ula lek yakundu ya chief executive member ka KHEDC uba penchangan NCM hakamra trekam jungu Bandawa baka executive committee kadai ban le ai nok kloi kat badang biang kapor ya ka Jingwan Kluon Jaka ka muda Shakishnong ki baha papo ka jingpet jong ka district council
kai ka ba ngala mention ang ne golong ba all 30 MDCs to demand before the government Bandawa hakmat jong ka sarkar bakan revoke dan bakan wengno ban withdraw no season don ya kan ka jingterekam withdraw to revoke and withdraw the implementation of the below noted acts illegally implemented by the Urban Affairs Department and the Meghalaya Urban Development Authority within the territory and the jurisdiction of the tribal scheduled areas of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District. Tekini ki an kiba Urban Affairs Department kalashnahi kem da yo jingbel napo kibor juga dis council. Number one kan the Meghalaya Town and Country Planning Act 1973, the Meghalaya Town and Country Planning Publication on Master Plan and the Zoning Regulation Rules 1973 Act. But ru kaba kam kongsan nang ne kaba kipat ba kikwa kade the Meghalaya Building Bylaws 2001 and 2011. Temun yekli ki laitli kini ki act kibaka Sarkar lang baka urban development kisuan ban encroach jubor kay kata jing encroach jubor jing kalong ba hakane ka town and country planning act ko jong ki kala contradict ki daladi badle side halor juga ne nagaliang jong ka minister jong ka urban ru ka suthu ban kala ay ka clarification recently ka statement jong ka ba ka comment ne she will be very happy lala ka this council ka simti do hi ya kana ka subject yang nak building permission nomor hakane ka kana the Meghalaya Town and Country Planning Act 1973 hang ne mo kala kado sai it shall kumur kana ka act kana ka an that may be called the Meghalaya Town and Country Planning Act 1973 talk about building kasna that is different thing but it shall extend to the whole of Meghalaya excluding the autonomous district clear ang ne habro ko Meghalaya ka trekam mut light no yaki scheduled area light no yaki area jongka district council provided that if any district council desire to kumut kala trekam lala ki district council kikwa but officially ki wan chakmar ki nong one trekam ri ko balong naman kawai ni city ki bangayo ada district council ke bangal seek clarification no dut kis dem kalau mau record ada district council simulator nomor la dei ka ba ni na kaliang kadis council nyai lang ya ka muda bahkan pentrekam apa ke area jungi ya kan mla ban sule tang nomor kadai ka kam jugi pat ba mla ban le tang siam maroi dan tu secretary kide ban wara ya kan kum ka official agenda la ni business apa ka floor of the house kebun ngin haba dia tainya la rai ka house yes bangai terus council mla ban pentrekam ya nagaan kebun ngin pass ka house tegamut kelalong official kebun ngila IT ya government bakal abri nai kum ka balong kan kum gari kuat jungi ka bangilayo hang ne 4 don kanu ru ka bangilay ka NOC lan ka jigbet ya ka Urban Affairs Department bahkan one but trekam ya ka building bylaws apo ki pur sam juga discount